Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to edit the refresh theme in Shopify using a web browser. The refresh theme is a modern, customizable theme that you can tailor to fit your brand. I'll guide you through how to make changes to the layout, colors, and fonts. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to shopify.com. Next, log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be on the main Shopify dashboard. To access your theme, click on the online store in the left-hand sidebar and then click on Themes. Now you will see your current theme at the top, which should be the refresh theme if you already installed it. To start editing, click the Customize button next to the refresh theme. You'll now enter the theme editor, where you can make changes to your store's design in real time. Use the left-hand sidebar to navigate between different sections like header, footer, and homepage. You can click on any section to edit its settings, like changing the text, images, or layouts. To update the colors and fonts for your store, in the theme editor, click on Theme Settings. It's here, it's next to the gear icon. You can adjust colors for buttons, text, background, and more. Click on typography to customize the fonts you use through your store. Shopify provides a wide range of fonts, so you can pick one that matches your brand's look and feel. You can click them by clicking on typography or change the colors by clicking in colors settings and choosing the color that suits you well. Make sure to preview how the changes affects your store by looking at the live preview on the right hand side. This one. The refresh theme allows you to easily add, remove, or rearrange sections on your store's page. In the theme editor, click on Add Section to include a new element like image, galleries, products, sliders, or testimonials. To rearrange sections, simply drag and drop them in the sidebar to change the layout of your page. You can also click on any section to edit its content, such as changing text, button, or products collection. After making your changes, always remember to click Save in the top right corner. You can preview how your changes look on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Here's how it looks on mobile, how it looks on desktop, and you can see how it looks full screen. By clicking these icons in the top of the theme editor, this ensures that your store looks great on all devices. And that's it. You've learned how to edit the refresh theme in Shopify, including customizing the layout, colors, and fonts. Experiment with different options to create a store that truly reflects your brand. If you like this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.